Is it possible to make someone fall in love with you without ever confessing your feelings? Without even directly touching their heart with sweet words or tender gestures? Just watching them become attached, irresistibly drawn, without them even understanding why or how it happened? The answer is yes, absolutely. And no, it's neither black magic nor cruel manipulation. It's science, the science of the human mind. Psychology. Forget everything you thought you knew about seduction. The truth is far more subtle and infinitely more powerful. One of the biggest mistakes we make: chasing after someone, being constantly available, always present, always responding, always seeking contact. We think we're showing our interest, our devotion. But in reality, we lose value. Think about it. Do we ardently desire what's already within reach, offered on a silver platter? Rarely. The human mind is wired this way. It's attracted to enigma, to what isn't fully accessible, to what requires effort, discovery. When you're an open book, without mystery, without distance, you become predictable. And predictability, in terms of attraction, is a slow poison. Conversely, when you embody calm, mystery, a certain rarity, you become fascinating. You pique curiosity. The other person starts asking questions. Why isn't he or she like the others? Why this distance? The first, most crucial step: stop the chase. Stop sending incessant messages. Stop looking for flimsy excuses to interact. Be like a gentle breeze. You pass by, you leave a scent, a feeling, but without lingering, without making a sound. Create longing without expressing it. Then sow doubt. Don't reveal your feelings clearly. On the contrary, send ambiguous signals. Say something like, with a slight smile, "You and me?" I think that would be complicated. And add a reason that seems logical, but is just a pretext. Our tastes are too different. We come from different worlds. I'm afraid you'll get bored quickly. Then silence. Let those words sink in, like a virus that settles in their mind. Why? Because the brain hates open loops. It hates what's unresolved, and it will start looking for answers, analyzing, trying to understand the true meaning behind your words. This is where psychological magic happens. By saying no gently, by creating a subtle distance, you're not rejecting. You're creating space, and that space ignites the flame of curiosity. You activate one of the most powerful psychological levers, the forbidden fruit effect. Humans ardently desire what they cannot have. What is far away, what is rare, what is perceived as forbidden becomes 10 times more attractive than what is easily accessible. Remember when you were a child? Your mother forbade you from touching something fragile or dangerous. What was the first thing you wanted to do? Exactly. Prohibition creates desire. We haven't changed that much. We continue to chase what eludes us, to desire what we don't yet possess. And by pulling away, by becoming this forbidden fruit, you become the target. Not because you asked for their love, but because you created longing, the unanswered question. This is where, insidiously, emotional addiction begins. The other person starts looking for you, scrutinizing your every move. She spies on your stories, analyzes every word you post, dissects your comments, your interactions. In their mind, an incessant internal dialogue. Was she talking about me? Why did she say that? Does she really not care? Or are they pretending? The scenario plays out again and again. You're no longer just a person in their eyes. You have become an idea, an obsessive question, a riddle to be solved. You haven't lied. You haven't manipulated in the cruel sense of the word. You've simply understood a fundamental truth of human psychology. The mind doesn't like absolute certainty, and emotions don't always flourish in plain sight. They germinate in the shadows, in distance, in mystery. Mystery? It's not a weakness. It's an art. The subtle art of influencing, of attracting, without ever having to directly touch the heart. Just by understanding how the mind works. So what do you think? Have you ever experienced this phenomenon in your own relationships? Are you ready to apply the science of attraction to your life? If this video opened your eyes, if you've begun to understand the hidden power of human psychology, then don't wait any longer. Leave a like to show you're intrigued. And if you want to uncover even more secrets, hit subscribe and turn on the bell to never miss out. And most importantly, don't forget to share this video with others who need to know this. The more we understand these dynamics, the better we can use them, right? See you soon for more revelations.